Hi everyone, this video is created by Tough Developers and Skill Automation System. In this video, I am gonna discuss about the variables in ASP.NET. That as you know that in ASP.NET or in C# we have two kind of variables. First one is the value type, and second one is the reference type. And some value types are where the complete value will be stored in the variable directly. What if you are concerned with the reference type? The reference type store the address of your the value of any kind of variable. So we have some we have some value types variable like integer, float, double, string. These are some value types, and we have some reference type like class variables, instance variables, or that ref, out. These are some reference variables. So in this tutorial I'm gonna discuss about that where to use the out variable, out parameter in a function, and ref parameter in a function. So first of all, I want to introduce you that what's the out parameter is. That we have this out parameter. A parameter declared with an out modifier is an output parameter. Out parameter is used to pass a value for out of a method, right? So out parameter will not initialized before calling the function, right? It means that I want to explain this with an example. Like actually I have implemented this tutorial in ASP.NET using C#, right? So I have created an example. In this example I have taken two text boxes and single add button, right? If I click on this add, it will add the values of text boxes, right? So this click event, on add click event, I have taken two variables, first val and second val. It will get the value of text box 1.text and text box 2.text, right? So another variable I have taken here, that is a result. This is a integer type. Now I want to call the function, that is add function. Add function is here. Okay, so in add function I have used three variables, two value type variable and one reference type variable. In this variable I have taken int first, int second, and third one is the out int result. This is my output parameter, or what I want to explain to you, right? In this parameter I am storing the result of first and second. It means that it will add the first value and second value and pass this value in the result. Now you can print this value over here by label 1.text equals to result.toString, right? So if you click on this add button, then it will put the value. So whenever you are going to use a out parameter, there is no need to initialize this variable over here, right? So this is the main feature of out. So the question is that where to use the value type or where to use the reference type. I want to suggest you that always use to value type, because it is easy to maintain your project after completion, right? So if you want to do testing on your project, then always try to use the value type. If you are using the output, it means that it will very typical to maintenance and testing, right? So another reason to use the out with is that if you want that this function or this function should set the two variables value, then you can use the output variable. Like here I have taken example, like this function is returning some integer value, and I want that output 1 and output 2 should be set over here and return out input. So it means that the value of output 1 and output 2 will be set, and you can call this value over anywhere. So another variable, this is a ref parameter. Ref parameter is a declare with the ref modifier and reference parameter. By using this ref parameter, you can pass the reference value, and if you are using the ref parameter, one thing always remember, the ref parameter should be initialized first, then call the function, right? So that is the main difference between out and ref, is that ref variable should be initialized first, then call the function. If you are using the out, then they should not be initialized before after the calling of the method, right? So in this example I have taken a class by using the I think that you already aware that how to create a class by in AppCode. AppCode is a folder as a you can put you can do this. Just click on the application root, add new item, select a class, and you can do this, right? So I have created a class and my class name is a checkref. In this class I am taking a function that is a public void square function where I am taking a reference type variable, and this reference type variable will be set over here. So I want to take the square, that's why I have set the value with the multiplication of well and well. Okay, this is my reference type. Now I want to call this function. To call this function I have to create an instance of that class, that's the checkref object ref. This is the object of that class. Now call this function textbox1.text. I have set the reference variable value. Do you remember this? Okay, then level1.text is a value before function call is value.toString. It means that I want to show you that what's the value of reference variable over here. So in this example I have taken two text boxes and a single button control. I will put the first value and click on the reference parameter button, then it will get value before function call is 5, value after function call is 25. It means that your function is returning the squaring value. Now the object ref.square ref well, and after that you will get the output. So in this video you have seen that how to use the ref and how to use the out. So if you want to complete source code, go to the schoolautomation.net, go to the blocks and selection of your required blocks, and you will find complete source code as well as complete my notes of out and ref. Thanks for watching this video.